Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Widiantari Sigar. I'm a student in English department at semester 5. This video is mid assignment for teaching English as a foreign language subject from Memate. And in this video, I want to talk about a difficult skill and material in English subject. Okay, as we know that in learning English, there has 4 important skill aspects that the student need to be mastered. They are include writing, speaking, reading, and listening. But for me, as a student, more feel difficult in writing skill. Writing skill itself is one of the 4 skill aspects that students need to master in learning English. By mastering this skill, the student can easily express their ideas, thoughts, even their feelings, so that can be read and understood by other people. This skill also can be used as means of indirect communication with other people. In education, writing skill are also efforts made to foster student critical thinking based on phenomena, knowledge, and experiences. Although writing skill can help the student in various aspects, but they still experience difficulties in the subjects. For example, in recontext material, where the students are asked to be able to write back events or their experiences in the past. Even though it sounds easy because they will write according to their experiences, but students still often run out of ideas to make and develop a sentence. And in addition, the limitation of vocabulary and grammar are also cause the student to have difficulty in composing words. They are sometimes confused about which vocabulary and grammar is suitable for their writing, so that can cause the student to be lazy when writing. Thus, having various difficulties in writing skill, on this video I will explain the teaching step that I will use in writing skill, especially in recontext material when I become a teacher. After knowing the student difficulties in writing recontext, teachers as a facilitators and motivators are expected to be able to use a series of techniques and then strategies and learning method that can help students deal with those difficulties, so the students can understand the material and they are able to create and develop their recontext in writing skills. Before making a recontext, students first need to understand what recontext is, starting from definition, characteristic, and generic structure used in the recontext. In this case, I will use student-centered learning, which the strategy of course focuses on the students as the center of learning process, so they will play in an active role in teaching and learning process, such as finding information and studying and in understanding it independently or in discussion. And the learning techniques that ideal for this strategy is learning in group. So the student will place in the small group, and then they will carry out discussion, question and answer, and presentation. Then, how are the learning strategies and techniques applied in writing recontext? Here are the steps. First, after explaining the scope of the materials and the learning objectives to be achieved, then the teacher will show a simple recontext through the LCD projector, and the student will ask and answer questions about the structure of recontext, features, language, and the vocabulary used on the text. Next, the teacher will show 5 different pictures about tourist destination through the LCD projector, and also the student will divide it into 5 groups based on the number of pictures available, and each group writes a recontext based on the picture provided, with paying attention with the structure of recontext, the language features, and the vocabulary that used in the text. After that, each group representative will present the result of their recount text in front of the class. After that, the teacher will provide an assessment, feedback, and reflect on the material that has been studied. Right, in this case, the learning strategies and techniques used are said to be effective in helping students face their difficulties in writing recount texts. In group discussion, they can help each other in providing ideas, correcting elements of language that will be used, and adding vocabulary through the recount text they write. Alright, that is my video about difficult material in writing skill. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.